Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I'm Katie and I love to share all things lifestyle and homemaking, and I'm so happy you are here with me today. This video I have been waiting to be able to film and put up for you guys. This is literally the best time on YouTube in my opinion. I love all the warm, cozy, homey feels that this space just fills, and you just get to take a peek inside everyone's homes and see their decorating. Everyone decorates so different, and 'tis the season, guys. We're gonna get it done in today's video. We are officially decorating for fall 2023. I also wanted to share, hang in there, today's video is in collaboration with a very sweet friend of mine. Some of you might know her and some of you may not, but I will introduce her in just a moment. When you want to decorate a space and you're not sure where to start, I love to start in the section of the room that's going to make the statement. And in my case, here in my family room is this wall with my fireplace and my shelving. This is pretty much the first thing you see, the star of the show, the thing that draws the eye to this side of the room. And so I love to start on this space first. And there's no need to go overboard. We're keeping things fairly simple in this video, but as you can see, I do have some pretty big shelving on either side of my fireplace, and we will get to those. But for now, we're going to start with some faux beautiful orange and yellow leaves that just look like fall foliage, like I'd pulled them right from outside. These are from Hobby Lobby a couple years ago, but I believe they do still carry them. And wait till they go on sale at 50% off, and they are an amazing price. These pumpkins I've collected also over the years between Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Home Goods, things like that. But we're just gonna line this fireplace mantle with the faux foliage and some pumpkins. And then I had to pick up these new candlesticks. I thought that they were the most perfect muted orange, not in your face, and just had this beautiful, unique, twisted pattern. Have a lot more decorating to do, but let me introduce you to my sweet friend Justine. Her YouTube channel is A Cleaning Affair, and we actually met on YouTube. I think we both kind of admired each other's channels from a distance and then started chatting online and quickly connected and became sweet friends. So if you love cleaning, motivation, and homemaking, very similar like I do here on my channel, make sure you go over and check out A Cleaning Affair here on YouTube. I will have a link to her channel down below. She is right now located in Kentucky, a mama of 3, but she is a military family, so she just moved to Kentucky, I want to say this last spring. And if you love home makeovers and refreshes and organizing and decorating, make sure you go check her out, because moving every few years in the military, her and her husband, I would like to call them even fixer-uppers at this point. I love her content and all the motivation she provides. So make sure you go over and check out Justine, and make sure you let her know that I sent you and say hello. Moving these wicker chairs in front of the fireplace to provide a nice, cozy, warm space to sip your coffee or tea, enjoy a book, light a candle, just converse and enjoy the space and the season. I love to host holidays here at my home, and these chairs by the fireplace just provide a really nice, comfortable seating area, not only for guests, but in the mornings when I love to just kind of cozy in when you know that it is foggy and cool outside, maybe reading a spooky book. I just love this space right here. And of course, you got to top it off with a nice, warm and cozy candle. This is something that I do for every season. I love going on Etsy and supporting small business and purchasing prints from on there. And then I just print them from home, or you can print them easily from like Walgreens or CVS or Costco, whatever is most convenient for you. And you could just easily swap out the artwork and decorate around your home. I love using these in my kitchen, in my bathrooms. And then today we will be using a few of these frames here on the shelving in my family room, which we will be tackling here in just a moment. I had to turn on some fall decorating videos to get motivated to decorate these. They've always overwhelmed me since day one. I love them. I love being able to have the space to decorate, but it's also very overwhelming because they are very large. They're about 6 feet on each side, and there's 4 of them. So you can only imagine that is a lot of space to fill, and you just want everything to look nice and flow, but also still be festive. So I'm gonna do my best here, but just know that I've already moved things around since decorating and filming this video. So make sure you guys subscribe and stick around, so that way in my upcoming fall videos, I can kind of give you guys an update and show you where things have moved and landed more permanently, at least for the season. What I've learned over the years is when you feel overwhelmed by a space, kind of similar to mine, is you can break them into sections or into groups or vignettes. So that's what I'm doing. I'm kind of taking one section at a time and moving things around as I go. And then I'm backing up and looking, trying to make either side of the fireplace shelving not be identical, but definitely complement each other. So I'm kind of struggling with that. I'm trying to use what I have on hand along with a few things that I picked up this season. But that's why I kind of consider this a step one, and I can always kind of go in and move things around and fill in those blanks later on. Moving on to the side table and the sofa, we're just going to keep things very simple. I'm going to replace this lamp with the lamp that I had in my guest bedroom, and I don't know if this is going to stay. I just kind of wanted to bring in the moodier gray color. It just was like kind of like a gloomy fall morning color. So I put that lamp, it is by the Hearth and Hand line from Target. And then these beautiful pillows, they reminded me so much of Pottery Barn. I picked these up last fall and I went on a hunt for those things and I was able to find 3 of them. And this adorable little stuffed pumpkin I got last year from Home Goods. These were all the rage last year and seems like they are still all the rage again this year. And I'm so happy they are because I think they're so beautiful. I love them. On this side table, I'm just going to place this faux wax battery packed pumpkin. You can't really see, but it does flicker at night. You can totally tell. I'll have to get some after dark shots in an upcoming video when I'm done decorating for you all. It's just so cozy in the glow of the candles and the pumpkins and the fireplace. It is just so nice and festive and warm and inviting in here. But lastly on this table, I'm going to light my ginger candle that I got. I think it's ginger apple. I got this candle for 50% off at Hobby Lobby this year. And then I'm just going to take these 2 other complementing throw pillows and put them in the corner of the couch, and then repeat the same pillows that I put in that other corner on the other far part of the couch. On the chaise lounge area, I'm going to throw this super soft, almost cashmere feeling throw blanket. I got this, I want to say last year, possibly from Marshall's or TJ Maxx. I think it was $24.99. I loved that warm orange. I've always been afraid to decorate with orange, but the last few years, I have been absolutely loving bringing in these warm tones. And carrying the warm tones over here to my coffee table and my mantle are probably my 2 favorite things that we did in this whole video. You guys will have to let me know which part of the room is your favorite. But this vase actually pulled out of my bedroom and I brought it down here, and I owned all these faux stems from last year. These are all from Hobby Lobby. I think I paid maybe a couple dollars a stem and just put together my own arrangement, and this ended up coming out looking very high end. I have this vase filler from Threshold. I actually picked it up last season and never used it, but I loved it so much that I'm gonna utilize it here on my coffee table in this beautiful pot. Also from Target, I think it's by the Threshold line. I got this last spring, I believe, and I just used a plastic bag to fill it up halfway and filled the remaining half of the vase with the vase filler, and I will give you guys a nice up close look. I shared these over on my Instagram and so many of you wanted links, so I will do my best to link what I can down below in the description box for you. Here is my family room decor for fall 2023. I feel like I was able to complement some of the things that I did last year, but just kind of put a fresh twist on it. And I just love how it all came out. Again, my coffee table is probably my favorite. This candle I got from Ross last year, and the brass mushroom and pumpkin are from, I believe it was Home Goods. But let me know how you guys like this family room. There's definitely more fall decorating to come. I want to get in my kitchen and cozy up that space as well, possibly my bedroom. But please do not forget to like and subscribe before you leave today. If you guys are here from Justine's channel, thank you so much for watching. I would love to have you. And don't forget to head over and check out Justine over on her channel, A Cleaning Affair. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, friends.